Namaste everyone, and welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we will discuss the ongoings in the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry. I am Swara, the world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network. I am here to share with you the current updates about the industry. Let's kick off with the latest and exclusive news in the Indian gems and jewelry industry. Kalamandir Jewellers announced actress Shruti Hassan as their new brand ambassador for their lab-grown diamond jewelry collection, Rishta Diamonds Mumbai. Mia by Tanishq expands its presence in Tamil Nadu with the opening of 4 new stores across Chennai and Tirupur. Augment Gold for All collaborates with CaratLane to simplify gold investments for customers as well as the online portal Zepto to offer their range of gold and silver coins. India and China increased 60% of global central bank gold purchases in March, with India adding 5 tons and China adding 16 tons, indicating robust demand for gold. Source Times of India. Bhima Jewellers has expanded its HBR layout store in Bangalore, now spanning 3 floors with over 6,500 square feet of luxurious retail space. This Akshaya Tritiya, jewellers saw a surge in visitors. The auspicious day provided a golden opportunity for traditional and contemporary designers, leading to joyous celebrations and festive fervor. Even with the gold prices skyrocketing, there was a high demand. Bollywood star Ranveer Singh inaugurated a prestigious Tiffany & Co. store in Mumbai, situated at Geo World. He wore a stunning creation by designer Gaurav Gupta. SRK, a global diamond crafting company, has set a new sustainability standard for decarbonizing India and the global diamond industry. In collaboration with GNFCID, it aims to achieve net zero emissions by 2024. Entering the waters of international gems and jewelry platform. Boucheron opens a new boutique at Villaggio Mall in Qatar, expanding its presence in the Middle East. Buccellati's, the Prince of Goldsmiths exhibition in Venice showcases multi-generational elegance and craftsmanship. Zales celebrates its centennial with a new campaign featuring over 100 diamond and gold styles, including a 100-carat lab-grown diamond necklace. Mexican man Mr. Villarreal purchased 2 pairs of Cartier diamond earrings for $14 after a website price glitch. After months of back and forth, the luxury brand eventually fulfilled the order. Pharrell Williams collaborates with Tiffany & Co. on the Tiffany Titan collection, featuring bold, natural diamond designs inspired by Poseidon Trident, reflecting energy and power. Midnight Opera House and Gemfields debut the captivating Floral Seasonscape collection, a fusion of Eastern and Art Deco influences. Japan's Liberty Bell, adorned with 12,250 pearls and 366 diamonds from the 1939 New York World's Fair, will be exhibited at the 2025 Osaka Expo, symbolizing peace and Japan-US relations. De Beers has lowered its 2024 production outlook due to slow diamond market conditions and decreased first-quarter sales. Pandora boosts its revenue forecast for 2024 after a robust first quarter, driven by strong demand for its lab-grown diamond collections. Saudi International Luxury Week, which took place from May 5th to 9th in Riyadh, features fine jewelry and watches from world-renowned designers, offering exclusive and sophisticated pieces for Saudi clients. Swiss luxury conglomerate Richemont has acquired Milan-based jeweler Vernier for an undisclosed sum. Following its 2019 acquisition of Buccellati, Vernier will become Richemont's 29th luxury brand. International fashion has been blooming lately like a garden of time. Colin Farrell makes a wave as the star of Dolce & Gabbana's latest fashion campaign. Robert Pattinson returns as the face of Dior Icons for its spring campaign. Jimmy Choo unveils the inaugural Spring-Summer 2024 eyewear collection in collaboration with EssilorLuxottica. Sanrio's beloved Hello Kitty celebrates its 50th anniversary with a special 70s vintage-inspired fashion range. The 2024 Met Gala red carpet at the Metropolitan Museum of Art featured an exhibit titled Sleeping Beauties, Reawakening Fashion, showcasing how technology can revive old and fragile garments. The event's The Garden of Time dress code is reflected in the tailored theme, inspired by A.J.G. Ballard's story about slowing down time. The Indian fashion industry segment has been very star-studded lately. Ajio introduces an exclusive ethnic collection inspired by Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Netflix series, Hira Mandi, The Diamond Bazaar. The Bombay Times Fashion Week 2024 witnessed a star-studded affair with Bollywood celebrities gracing the event. Karishma Kapoor showcased outfits by Avigna by Varsha and Ritu, while Malaika Arora mesmerized in an ivory lehenga by designer Archana Kochhar. Miss India 2022 winner Sini Shetty and actress Mrinal Thakur also strutted down the runway in designer wear. The opening show featured actor Rahul Dev, actress Mugdha Godse, and others. Sushmita Sen stole the spotlight with her regal look, while Manara Chopra turned heads in her Indo-Western outfit. Other attendees included Alaya F., Shriya Saran, and singer Daler Mehendi, making the event a glamorous affair. Myntra's Rising Stars program has welcomed the streetwear brand Urban Monkey. Indian fashion brand Shree has opened its inaugural outlet in Saudi Arabia. The Bollywood Hungama Style Icons Summit and Awards 2024, held at the Taj Lands End in Mumbai, celebrated style and talent in the Indian entertainment industry. The event included panel discussions, awards, and nominations for big names. That was all for today. Thank you everyone. We will see each other soon with more updates. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, swasth rahiye, mast rahiye. Shubh Ratri, Shabha Khair.